1, 2, 3. It'll get lighter. Promise. Now just for hoots and giggles, I always hook it anyway. Right now, it's not going to stay, but it does help. Okay. I like flying it and yelling down at people when we fly over housing additions, like God Bless America or something like that. I'm thinking one of these fields right up here, over this ridge.
The landing zone? That looks good right there.
That's a lot of weight there.
Okay.
This is where you need the kids. They love sitting on the balloon and
6'8", 260-pound 4-year-old kids.